So could you explain easily? So what kind of touching? I'm not sure the.
Yeah, what kind of touching? The touch style. So this gives you a basic understanding. Different areas that we measure in order to get the measurement. So we do thickness, compression, bending. Thank you. Surface roughness, surface friction, thermal properties.
So each one is one time.
All done. Yes. So
yeah, that's good.
we cut this shape fabric so we get warp direction and weft direction.
Yes.
And you would normally want, depending on whether you only care about how the outside feels, you can do one test. But if you want the inside feel, then you need to cut two, so you need to turn it over. So we only measure one side at a time. And you put it in such that this goes back in there. This piece comes out through here. And this middle square is sitting right on there. This compression head will come down. And so it will come down and press the fabric and start measuring thickness and then compression. And then it will start measuring heat flux, thermal resistance of the fabric, because the top head and the bottom head differ in temperature by 10 degrees C. Then it'll keep pushing it down into the instrument, so it'll get pushed down in, and it will drag the fabric down in across this bending bar. That will give you a bending measurement. And then as we keep pulling down, this roller will drop down to give a little bit of weight. And we've got a friction plate here. We will see how much extra work it takes to pull it over that friction plate. And then there's a pin that measures roughness as the fabric goes over it, up and down roughness. And then as we release, we will measure recovery of the fabric from the compression.
What time do you need one testing?
I'm sorry?
What time do I need?
About 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minute, one test.
One test.
Yep.
Okay.
So the instrument was designed to try to make the KES test, the Kawabata test, you know? It was designed to try to make that test easier, but we don't actually try to correlate to Kawabata. We correlate to human hand panel study. So out of that data we get smoothness, softness, and warmness from the software. And if one of these differs, like this one, we can click on that, open it up, and understand which one of the indices is giving us the issue for the difference.
Okay. So thank you very much. So can I get one catalog?
Yes, please.
And so could you tell me the agent in Japan?
The agent in Japan, I can tell you. If you come.
Okay, please.
Yes.